All you have to do is to set this up in a couple of minutes and you're done. And it will allow you to earn hundreds of dollars passively. You don't have to do any work because I will introduce you to a website that will do most of the work for you, and it's very easy to use. Some people earn money online. Are you wondering how to make it? I know that many of you out there who wants to make money online but don't want to invest money, and you want to do it for completely free. All you need to do is follow all the steps in this tutorial and make a move to earn hundreds of dollars. This is a worldwide available strategy. No annoying ads, and most of all, it's absolutely free. Hey there, welcome to Online Money Mastery. I teach tips and tricks in making money online. Subscribe to the YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you'll be updated whenever I upload a new video. Just smash the like button and leave a comment below. Now let's jump to the video. The website that I will introduce to you today will allow and help you passively earn hundreds of dollars, no other than Fayer.com. As you can see here, it will tell us what this site is all about. Sell your music and books worldwide. It's pretty obvious that this website is available all over the world. But before we proceed, I will make a clarification first. In this case, we don't need to make our own ebooks or even audio in order to make a profit on this website. Because I will introduce you a site later that will help us to make all of those. We can simply grab those files and upload them here. It's very easy, by the way. As you can see here, you keep 80% of your profits. That is a decent amount of money. Take a look at this example. If we upload an ebook that costs $20 each and 5 people purchased it, boom! You will earn $80. And since this website will promote your work, you will expect hundreds or even thousands of sales. As far as paid is concerned, you will be paid by this site daily. In short, you will not wait for weeks or months to withdraw your money. And the best thing here is, they have a professional support team that will help you in any kind of trouble you will encounter on this website. The insane thing about this website is its platform partners. They partnered with all of the most well-known websites like Apple Music, Spotify, YouTube, TikTok, and many others. To make our objective complete on this website, hover your mouse up and on the right portion of the website, you will create your account. Just enter your first name, last name, and your email address. Be sure that your email is 100% active because this site will send you a confirmation email for you to proceed on the next couple of pages. On the very next page, you will encode pieces of details. You need to type in your username, your password, and take note in making your password. It should include lowercase, uppercase, and a number. And for you to secure your account, there is a security question provided. This portion here is not mandatory. As you can see here, it's optional. So don't worry, you don't need a company to proceed on the next page. And just below that, choose your gender, your first name and last name you entered prior, and as I said earlier, be sure that the email you will put up in there is working. And in this question, how did you hear about Fairy? Just type in YouTube. And to finally complete this page, you will select what you will be selling on this website. In our case, we need to select publishing music, publishing ebooks, publishing distribution, and lastly, publishing audiobooks. Before I show you the next steps in making money online, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe and bell icon so you'll always be updated about new ways to make money online. To fully activate our account, just go to your email and open up a message from Fayer that looks like this. And scroll a little bit and click on this link in order to activate your account. And now our Fayer account is all set. We will proceed to the next website that will do the work for us. The website in question is idplr.com. PLR stands for Private Label Rights. And that means that all the things you will get in here are 100% free. And you can use it without having any copywriting issues. And the good thing here is you can claim that you own this stuff. And you can make money out of them. As you can see here, over 12,000 PLR products you can use to earn money online. And if you scroll down a little bit, you will see that this website features more than 12,500 products with private label and resale rights licenses, which means that you can sell, edit, or even claim the products inside as your own. Now, let's get back to the top. As you browse here, go to free products. We have free ebooks, softwares, videos, audio, and many more. Before you can download the kinds of stuff here, you will create your account first. To do that, go to the upper right portion of the website and click register for free. And on the next page, you will have a choice. You can get free membership and gold membership. And I suggest that you avail the free membership first and earn a decent amount of money and reinvest it in this platform. Because if you avail the premium account, it will allow you to gain more access to all PLR products. And it means you will now have a lot of products to be sold on Fair. Getting the premium membership is actually worth it. And for us to proceed in the page, click on a free member. Then get a click in a box indicating click here to register for free. And you will enter almost the same data. Once you have already created your account on this website, you need to grab some free stuff. To do that, just go to free products and click on either free ebooks or free audio. And in my case, I will choose ebooks. Now on this page, you will see all of these ebooks that are absolutely free to grab. And all you need to do is just click on the desired ebooks. And you will move to this page wherein you can download the said ebooks. To do that, you can simply click on download here. And before we proceed to Fair, I will share the good thing on this website. Regarding the music on this platform, you can get it in a package. It means that you can get 10 or more music per download, and all of them will make you a lot of money individually. To upload the music or the ebooks on this site, just take a look at this process. Go to My Account in the upper right corner here. On the next page, just click on the new release and choose between ebook and music depending on what you want to upload. And from there, you will fill in some basic information about your products, such as the title, price, and so on. And once you upload your product here, your work will be basically done because Fair will do the promotion for you. Thank you for watching. If you like this video and enjoy my content, be sure to leave a thumbs up below to support my channel. And for you not to miss any of my future videos, then click on the subscribe button and make a ring on the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever a new video pops up. This is Online Money Mastery. Happy earning! See you in the next video.